we're here at campus and we're getting ready for, what are we getting ready for? So guys, no. What are we getting ready for?
My camera
she not cooperated, but we're getting ready for Frosh Camp.
Oh,
now you want to cooperate? So we're here early. Yes, that.
Y'all taking a picture of me. Ooh. You feel me?
So we got here early.
So we could film like a bunch of bad bitches that we are, period hoes. So I was gonna film on my camera, but this shit foggy, so I might just whip out old reliable.
Her new phone. Yes. But
cause a pussy hoe can never be
oh yeah, I finally dyed my hair. Swimming.
Imagine being bald and getting hype over little hair.
We're waiting for the bus and everybody else to come, and we leave at like 9:30. It's like 9:30, something like that. And we went to Starbucks. She got the dragon fruit drink. But yeah. So now we're gonna wait, take pictures, all that. So now we're walking back. We're walking to the fountain. We're gonna go take some pictures, find us some things to do while we wait for the bus. Whatever. Hi. So yeah. I'm really excited. I'm ready. I didn't make a video last week because I meant to do like one about me dyeing my hair, but I didn't even dye my hair till like yesterday or something. So yeah, but after this, no more snacking. Yeah. And the water fountain, we're gonna go take pictures and wait for our friends to get here and our advisors.
We're waiting for my hell's big head ass to get here. We'll be back.
All right, guys, we'll be back.
Sign in.
Stay tuned. All right, hey guys. So I got my friends here, Kira and Nolan. So yes, we're now waiting for the bus and all that stuff to get ready. So no tampons.
No tampon.
Now we're getting ready to go. Wait for the bus and all that, so that we could go to Frosh.
I'm gonna have so much fun.
Look at my lines. My lines look so bad now. They need to grow back. I mean, like, they need to...
Oh, I forgot you cut your hair.
Hi.
Kid going crazy. That's magic. How can going crazy? That's magic. Kid going crazy. That's magic. How can going crazy? That's magic. Having breakfast for dinner. Eating gluten-free toast. Get there. Bread. Toast. Oh. It's Tony's. Running the camp and ponies. Earning breakfast for us. Don't forget the inside. This is the first day of Frosh Camp. It already feels like home. It feels like we have made one with our surroundings. Yes. One with nature. We have become one with nature in this lovely, beautiful voyage. We're back in our cabin. We are cabin 10, the best cabin of... Yes, now we're gonna wait for our little... For our little mixer thing. Oh, I'm vlogging. Okay. Yeah. And, yeah. And then... You can count yourself out if you want.
Let me get a shout out. Hi guys, my name is Yuritsa. Y'all follow me on the Instagram, H0LYNUGGETZ.
Hey. Ooh, whoa, okay. So yes, now we're waiting to go to our little party, our little mixer party. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that and all that stuff. And it should be fun.
Y'all have done too much singing, my hair fell out.
Bruh.
I guess that's
How about move?
I go to school, I would say you rock, but now man you drew. You rock KP, but I think your name Patrick. Go back to Target, cause man you ratchet.
We're almost at the cabin, and now I'm thirsty, so I'm just gonna, use that thirsty? Okay. Okay.
Tyler, Tia, and Garrett, y'all been amazing. A big shout out to y'all. You really coming. We don't always get along, but at the end of the day, we're always always there for each other. And we
Yeah! We love you, Sam!
I just want to thank everybody that puts Frosh Camp together. Like I said, I didn't know what to expect from Frosh Camp, but this has been the best 4 days of my life. I really stepped outside my comfort zone every day. I've gotten to talk to people. I've done all kinds of things that I never would have done myself to do. And it's thanks to all of y'all that I'm here right now. So I just want to thank you so much.
Cover up the news. I don't see no judge on that.
Y'all got me fucked.
What do you mean? Hey, I will say. Done, go back inside. Go back inside. Quit it down. Talk about this. Clear the area! Clear the area!
Oh my fucking god! Bro! What is going on? So, you just seen how Frosh Camp went for me. And that is why a couple of you guys, well, a lot of you guys have heard from me in 4 days, 3 days. But yeah, I really enjoyed the experience, and to just tell it from my point of view, it really helped change me as a person, to be more open, to be myself, to be less socially awkward, and to be able to talk to people more, and you know, be proud of myself and all that. And I really thought that it was really necessary for me to show you guys how it was for me, so that if anybody was thinking about coming to the University of Memphis, you know, next year or so on, or transferring, that you should really go for it, because it's really worth it. And you'll be more comfortable with your college experience, and you'll be more confident, and it's a lot of fun, and it teaches you a lot, and it's just a lot. It's fun. It's worth it. Totally worth it. Totally worth the $85. But I had the scholarship, so yeah. But to also add on to that, I am moving in 4 days, 3 days, something like that, to my dorm. So that vlog will be coming up as well. And yeah. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on my next video next Friday.
They took it to 10.